Good morning, guys. I just woke up, got ready and still very sleepy after the flight from New York for 12.5 hours. Yeah, so it was very long. I was drinking so much water to try to keep myself hydrated, and I was only eating something that was produced by energy of the sun, because I believe, you know my philosophy already, that anything produced or anything that was cooked I don't eat on a flight, especially such a long flight, only to keep myself better, in a better condition, because nutrition is everything. And I had a salad yesterday, had a fruit platter, I had muesli with yogurt, Greek yogurt later, we had some sliced carrots, celery sticks and cucumber, and I had a little cheesecake. Cheesecake is my cheat meal, little bit. It was like little cookies that we have from the Light Bite selection. It was like little, like this cheesecake. It was super delicious. And I was having lots of green tea, lots of water and zero coffee. I was so good yesterday. So proud of myself, because usually I have so much coffee on the night flights, but because this is a long flight and you know again how important it is to keep yourself in a very good condition. And usually how I feel that I didn't follow that is when I wake up next morning in my house and I feel like, you know, my hands are dry and they feel dry as if you want to put a hand cream. So at this stage I know that yesterday I didn't have enough of water. So today I woke up perfect. My hands feel fine, the skin feels fine. I use baby oil, Johnson's, after shower every time, even if it you know, gives a little bit oily texture, and you go to bed and it feels like it's gonna stick to the bed linens. But I keep my legs up after the flight. I just place it like this on the wall, but next to my bed over there, and I take my time, watch a movie and then relax and just go to bed. Today I had a very good sleep, almost 11 hours. Actually, no, 10 hours. Yeah, 10 hours. And I called Do, provider of internet, after that, because tomorrow they're gonna come and finally install internet in my new house. For those who were asking, yes, I'm already in my new house for such a long time, 1 month, I think so. And I'm gonna tell you everything about it, because I was waiting for this new camera to film a very nice vlog for you. I'm ready. I want to do it so much and to share with you my place, my little cute place where I live. I want to show you what I just filmed for you in little episodes. I'm now in the middle of the hall with dinosaurs, the big one that is here for a couple of years, I think so. And look at his head. Can you see? It's so tiny. Imagine that the evolution made us totally different, and it's really funny because the skeleton is huge and the head is like so tiny and so little. I'm gonna go for my coffee, favorite coffee in Arabica. Just now I came to H&M and trying some things that I really love. Always wanted something like this, like long jackets. So thinking about getting it. And something else I love so much, it's the jacket, silk top and pants like this. This style, I really like it. I don't know, recently it came to me, realization that this is beautiful. Please comment, because I want to know, shall I get it or not? And the last one comes this one, the sweater. It's very soft and so beautiful, and the skirt like that. Good morning, my lovely people, and I'm so glad that you're watching me this morning. It's very sunny, but because my windows face not really sunny side, it feels like 2 p.m. is already evening, so I have to go out right now. And tomorrow is my flight to Zurich again, Switzerland. And you always ask me, Maria, why you get so many flights to Zurich, Switzerland? First, I love the destination so much, and it always here when I think about the Glacier Express I took a couple of years ago to see mountains from Zermatt to St. Moritz. It was beautiful, and yes, that's my kitchen, and you always ask me to do review. I'm gonna do it very soon. I'm just waiting for the morning time when I'm gonna wake up early, get the first sun rays here in my apartment, and I'm gonna do it for you guys. Today I decided that I'm gonna spend the day on the beach, and I'm gonna go to Mall of Emirates to catch up on the books I wanna buy, and I'm gonna get ready for my flight to Zurich because I wanna go to some beautiful city or to the city center because this fresh air is always what I need. Hopefully it's gonna be really cold, so I'm gonna get frozen because I think I want it so much. Okay, so almost ready. Let's go outside and let's drive. I'm wearing my dress that I've got in Turkey, and I have this bag also from Turkey because I love the texture so much. And there is something that you really can't afford to happen in Dubai, and it just happened to me because I forgot my shade sunglasses, and now I'm driving and it's really sunny. So guys, just came now to Mall of Emirates. That's the name of the place, Common Ground. So now I'm waiting for my friend Svetlana, who's gonna say a lot of interesting things. And she's on the way. She's got stuck in traffic now in Business Bay and Halil Road because it's like so many cars this time. And I'm having coffee. Super beautiful flat white with almond milk. So let's wait for her, and I'm gonna reply your comments on YouTube right now that you posted yesterday. I just met Svetlana, my friend. Hello. And she's from Belarus. Yeah. We met in Costa now in Mall of Emirates, and I decided to tell you something, guys, very special because Svetlana just graduated from Fly Dubai. Yeah. She made it. So now we're colleagues. We're gonna maybe even meet in some destinations, and we're gonna see each other for coffee. Maybe you never know. Hopefully. Yeah. When you were studying for Fly Dubai, how many nationalities have you had in your batch?
We had like minimum 10 nationalities.
Wow, 10 nationalities?
Yeah, from Morocco, Tunisia, Algeria, Egypt, Kyrgyzstan, Uzbekistan, Belarus, Russia, Ukraine. Even we had 2 guys from Argentina.
Oh wow.
Yeah.
So only 2 guys and another 8 girls?
No, we had like 6 or 8 guys.
6 or 8 guys. Oh, okay, so it's like pretty much half. And how long was your training?
It was 5 weeks, but it finished like very fast.
Yeah, I think this is the time when you fly, like, and even when you start training for flying, time goes so quick because you have to study a lot of homework, right? A lot of tests.
A lot of tests, but we were doing fine. Yeah.
Very good. Wow. I know that you have a new uniform. A new uniform in Fly Dubai because I think on Instagram official page there is a little video about it. Let's show. Guys, you wanna see? I'm sure you wanna see. So let me show you the video. Alright. You have what types of blouses?
Yes, we have 4 different color-based blouses. One navy blue, one blue, orange, and light blue. And we have a dress and the trousers and the skirt, and we can choose whatever we like whatever your soul feels to wear, like you can choose it. So
wow. So you wanna have a dress today? You wear a dress.
Yes.
You wanna have a skirt, you know, like scarf. You. But
yeah.
Scarf is all the time. Yeah.
Scarf is obligatory.
Okay.
So for my first flight, I'm gonna wear the dress because it's more simple in use.
And the shoes, I have 2 types of shoes.
Yes, one high heel and one cabin shoes. When it's long flight, you can just change it. rest your legs.
Oh, so nice. So do you keep in touch with everybody? Do you meet for coffee?
Now we have vacation 5 days because it's new uniform launch will be soon, so they give us 5 days. But my batchmates, they went for vacation, for traveling, but I prefer to stay here and meet Maria.
Okay, Svetlana, for example, let's say I know that you do video interview in online from your home. You can do it from your home, right? And I heard that Emirates gonna imply video interview as well. Yeah, guys. By the way, Open Day is coming very soon, and I know I'm gonna vlog about it later. Do you talk to somebody on Skype real time, and they give you questions, or how it all happens?
No, the video is recorded automatically. It's only like you're talking to yourself in the camera. Once you click start the questionnaire, the question appears on the screen. It gives you 30 seconds to think about your answer, and automatically it starts recording, and for 2 minutes. So you have to talk for 2 minutes. You shouldn't stop, otherwise, like, yeah, it will be considered like you cannot just sit blah 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 and then like, because it's still recording. Yeah. And then yeah, once the time is over, it automatically sends it to them, to the system.
What if you, like, let's say if you're sick and you just want to do this, it's going to be recorded, right?
Yes, everything, everything. Even like the last question was like not 2 minutes, but only 40 seconds. And like I didn't know that about it, so I was continue talking, and then suddenly it's like, huh? So yes. So there are different stories. Some people like the cat was jumping and it took out the plug from the socket. Yeah, so it was exploded. Different stories, but you should be prepared. Like prepare yourself before. You have like 6 days to record.
So for 6 days you can pause and start again. But
No, once you start, it should be done at one time.
The full interview.
Yes. 4 questions, 2 minutes.
And you don't know the questions.
No.
No.
But if you read forums, like you can find that people shared like what were the questions. But recently they implemented the new ones, not the old one, because the recruitment system is a little bit new as well. The new questions and even the test online is a little bit different than from what I was doing before.
Okay, wow. So was it stressful for you? How did you mentally prepare, you know? Like okay,
yeah, it's like was deep breath, like 1, 2, 3, start. Then like you talk, then again deep breath, like drink water, relax, think again. But it's actually like an interview, but you don't see the interviewer like who's interviewing.
Okay. Lipstick, I know that in Dubai you wear like nude, yeah?
Yes.
Nude color. It's not, you cannot
Like from the launch of new uniform, they made new uniform standards. So they send us different palettes from different brands that we can use. So you can choose which one is most suitable for you, but it should be in the same palette of nude colors.
okay. And for the, do you have any specials for the eye makeup?
Eye makeup, it's not necessarily, but there are some recommendations as well. Like you can put eyeliner if you like eyeshadows. There are also some palettes that you can choose.
And the hairstyle, do you choose what you want? Or
No, it should be strictly like way in the bun, yeah, or French. French.
I see. Wow. So congratulations. Thank you. I'm so glad that you made it.
Oh yeah, and I was waiting for this long time.
I know Svetlana for some time, and when she told me that she is now a flight attendant as well, I was like, wow, I'm so happy. So we had to meet and just talk about it. So thank you, Svetlana. I really hope, guys, that it helps some of you, because I know that you wanna join the airline and come here to Dubai, because Fly Dubai is also Dubai-based airline. It's like a sister of Emirates. So do it, definitely do it. And if you have any questions for Svetlana, please comment below, and I'm gonna address it to her, and then she will send me a reply by WhatsApp, and I will reply from her name. Yeah, let's do it like this. Yes. Yeah. So thank you for watching so much,
Thank
and
you.
we wish you a beautiful day, a beautiful night, and have a good day.